Staten Island, New York, where hard work meets heart. From Tottenville to St. George, over 500,000 New Yorkers call Staten Island home. We fix, build, and restore together. Born right here in Staten Island, ServiceJan connects you with trusted local professionals for every service, big or small. From furniture restoration to full home makeovers, our network includes the award-winning All Furniture Services, America's top repair specialists. One platform, all services, one better Staten Island. ServiceJan, match vibes, make strides. Download now. Visit ServiceJan.com.